Good evening, and today we are going to have our second class of tarot reading. Previously, in the last video, I have already told you to give the energies to the tarot, shuffle it more and more, try to spend time with it, because tarot cards are actually a guidance for many people. It's like a medicine, what's happening around in your personal life. When we talk about tarot, it's love, money, then it goes for career, goals, and general life path. Yes, no, many decks, people will come to you about love reading, they'll come to you about their money related issue, their career, their opportunity, their options, and so many suggestions. So when you are there to interpret about something which is happening in the deck, first thing is like correction with your meditation. When I talk about tarot reading, you have to give your time to the tarot, meditate, spend time with the tarot in a different way. Like someday you are just meditating, someday you are shuffling the cards, some fine day like you are reading every cards, shuffling and reading. This is very important to activate your intuitive muscle which is there in you. Now we talk about the spreads. The most common spread, the first question what people ask is like very beginner, yes and no. You have to shuffle the card, draw two cards, and you get the answer after the shuffling. Okay, there will be two cards after the shuffling. This will be yes and this will be no. As per the card reading, you will understand to answer the person, the opponent person, what tarot is guiding them. So this will be the basic understanding of tarot reading. So learning each and every meaning of the card is very important for this. Somewhere or the other, if I talk about tarot, like I told you last class, there are 78 cards, 56 minor and 22 major arcanas. So reading this tarot reading classes what we are starting, let's start with a very basic thing. Like if you have taken the tarot card, open the box, start reading it, hold the cards in your hand, deep breath, start getting the messages, a destiny path through tarot. Here, just taken a pause to understand what should I do first for you people. Here, for example, the card I have drawn is strength. So this has meaning. It's not only strength. There are symbols in this. The color, the atmosphere, the number, where the lion is, what is happening in the card. This has to be studied very well. So from our next class, I am going to give you individual meaning of the cards to understand what is major, minor, and meaning of the individual cards.